In the quiet hum of a Saturday morning, sunlight streamed through the kitchen window, illuminating the countertops strewn with various ingredients. The air was filled with the invigorating scent of citrus, a stark contrast to the harsh chemical odors that often lingered after a cleaning spree. Like many people, I had grown increasingly aware of the toxic nature of conventional household cleaners. The labels, often riddled with warnings and unpronounceable ingredients, served as a constant reminder of the potential harm they posed not only to my family, but also to our beloved pets. With a growing demand for safer alternatives, I decided it was time to take matters into my own hands and explore the world of natural cleaning solutions. The journey into DIY cleaning began with a simple realization. Many of the everyday ingredients we use in cooking and baking could also serve as effective cleaning agents. Armed with this knowledge and a few basic components, I set out to create my own eco-friendly cleaners. The first recipe on my list was an all-purpose cleaner, a staple for any household. To make this versatile concoction, I gathered white vinegar, water, and a few drops of essential oil for fragrance. Vinegar, with its natural acidity, is a powerhouse when it comes to cutting through grease and grime. It's also a natural disinfectant, making it perfect for sanitizing surfaces. I poured equal parts of vinegar and water into a spray bottle, adding 10 drops of lavender essential oil for a calming scent. As I shook the bottle to mix the ingredients, I felt a sense of satisfaction wash over me. Not only was I creating a cleaner that was effective, but I was also avoiding the harsh fumes that often left my throat scratchy and my head spinning. Next on my list was a glass cleaner, a necessity for keeping my windows and mirrors streak-free. The recipe was refreshingly simple: a cup of water, a cup of vinegar, and a tablespoon of cornstarch. The cornstarch, I learned, was the secret ingredient that helped to prevent streaks on glass surfaces. As I combined the ingredients in another spray bottle, I marveled at how easy it was to create a cleaner that would rival any store-bought option. The glass cleaner, like the all-purpose cleaner, was safe for my family and pets, alleviating the anxiety that often accompanied cleaning days. With these two recipes under my belt, I turned my attention to the bathroom, a place that often required heavy-duty cleaning. I decided to whip up a bathroom scrub that would tackle soap scum and mildew without the use of harsh chemicals. The ingredients were simple: baking soda, liquid Castile soap, and a few drops of tea tree oil. Baking soda is a natural abrasive that can help scrub away tough stains, while liquid Castile soap is a gentle yet effective cleaner derived from vegetable oils. Tea tree oil, known for its antifungal and antibacterial properties, would add an extra layer of protection against mold and mildew. As I mixed the baking soda and Castile soap into a paste, I felt empowered. This was more than just cleaning. It was an act of caring for my home and my loved ones. The scrub was thick and fragrant, and I could already envision how it would transform my bathroom into a sparkling oasis. I stored the paste in a glass jar, ready to tackle the next cleaning session with a sense of pride. The beauty of these DIY cleaners was not just in their effectiveness, but also in the knowledge that I was using ingredients that were safe for my family and the environment. Each recipe took mere minutes to prepare, and the results were immediate. I found myself excitedly spritzing the all-purpose cleaner on kitchen counters, wiping down surfaces with a cloth, and watching as dirt and grime vanished effortlessly. The glass cleaner left my windows gleaming, allowing sunlight to flood the rooms, while the bathroom scrub worked wonders, leaving behind a fresh, clean scent that lingered long after I had finished. As I stood back and admired my handiwork, it struck me how much these small changes could impact our daily lives. By choosing natural ingredients, I was not only reducing the number of harmful chemicals in our home, but also fostering a healthier environment for my family and pets. The vibrant colors and scents of the natural ingredients brought a sense of joy to the mundane task of cleaning. No longer did I dread the chore. Instead, I found it to be a therapeutic ritual that connected me to my home. In summary, the recipes for an all-purpose cleaner, glass cleaner, and bathroom scrub are not just simple solutions. They represent a shift toward a healthier, more eco-conscious lifestyle. The all-purpose cleaner, with its vinegar base and soothing essential oils, is perfect for everyday cleaning tasks. The glass cleaner, enhanced with cornstarch, ensures that surfaces shine without streaks. Finally, the bathroom scrub, with its combination of baking soda, Castile soap, and tea tree oil, tackles tough stains while being gentle on the environment. Embracing natural cleaning solutions has transformed not just my cleaning routine, but also the atmosphere of my home. By opting for these DIY recipes, I am taking a stand against toxic chemicals, creating a safer space for my family, and nurturing the planet we all share. In a world where we are often inundated with choices, choosing to make our own cleaners is a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier home and a more sustainable future.